differential
finite element method,
equations,
harmonic analysis,
Hilbert function.
and analytic number theory.
The Department of Mathematics was established in 1960 when IIT Bombay moved to its current location in Powai. With 47 permanent faculty members, it is one of the largest mathematics department in the country and certainly the most diverse in terms of the areas of research that are pursued.
Because it's an ancient discipline which has been evolving for thousands of years, modern mathematics encompasses a dizzying array of sub-areas ranging from purely abstract to applied in the concrete. We have a large number of people working on different aspects of mathematical sciences in our department.
The study of partial differential equations is often motivated by questions in physics and engineering and finds applications in areas as diverse as plasma physics, aerospace science and weather prediction. But just as importantly, they can be studied for their own sake.
So in this department, we have faculty pursuing problems in finite element method, finite volume method, optimal control problems, viscoelastic fluid flow and computational fluid dynamics problems, as also conservation laws of hyperbolic systems and problems in homogenization.
Others work on the related areas of optimal design problem, wave propagation in microstructured media and metamaterials. The controllability and the stabilizability of the PDs are also important sub-areas of research.
At the classical end of the spectrum, we have people looking at special functions and distribution theory and geometric analysis, particularly recent connections with eigenfunctions of the Laplacian on Riemannian manifolds.
Research in analysis, amongst various other things, spans harmonic analysis, functional analysis, and several complex variables, or SCV for short. We study the invariant matrix like that of Kobayashi and Katori on various classes of domains in Cn. These have proved to be important tools in understanding the function spaces and holomorphic mappings.
Harmonic analysis group in our department encompasses both the classical Fourier analysis on Euclidean space and analysis on solvable and semi-simple Lie groups. The research interests of function analysis group are very diverse. They include the multivariable operator theory, function theory, operator algebras and topics relating to quantum probability.
Research in the geometry and topology group encompasses algebraic geometry, topology, Lie groups and coding theory. Algebraic geometry is well represented by algebraic cycles, vector bundles, principal bundles and their moduli. Study of Hopf algebras and Coxeter groups are some of the other areas of research in the department, as well as connections of Lie theory to monodromy groups of differential equations. Algebraic topology is represented by the study of homotopy theory and applications to combinatorics.
Problems in number theory are often easy to understand, but the solutions involve deep ideas from algebra analysis and geometry. Some of my colleagues work on new developments in classical fields like quadratic forms and Lie theory, while others work in the Langlands program, which spans representation theory of Lie groups, harmonic analysis and analytic number theory. Both number theory and algebraic geometry draw heavily on commutative algebra, which primarily deals with the study of commutative rings and modules over them.
Our department is known for its contributions to Hilbert functions, Gorenstein rings, blow-up algebras and Euler class groups. One essential aspect of my own research is the interplay between combinatorics on the one hand and algebraic geometry and commutative algebra on the other hand. Combinatorics is the study of discrete structures such as graphs, permutations and polyhedra. The problems that are studied in this area include questions related to counting or enumeration, understanding special extremal or almost extremal configurations, and studying the ability of computer programs to manipulate these objects. It draws from a variety of techniques, and there is a rich interplay with other areas of mathematics such as analysis, algebra, and probability.
Research activities of faculty members working in statistics and probability include theoretical probability, statistical inference, and stochastic differential equations. They also cover highly applied areas such as data mining and biostatistics, containing research projects that deal with improved multivariate Bayesian MCMC for machine learning, deciphering protein structural landscape, and characterization of cancerous mutations. They also cover disease modeling and design selection problems for non-normal and correlated data. Further, inferential and reliability aspects of multi-state coherent systems are also part of research activities.
The faculty of the department, besides teaching and research, have also been involved in various outreach and mentorship activities across the country. For example, I have been involved in various training activities for teachers and students under the MTTS umbrella, as have some of my other colleagues. Another noteworthy example is that of Professor I.K. Rana, who has organized the TIME workshops and has a joint collaboration with the Government of Maharashtra to improve education in schools across the state.
The National Center of Mathematics based in IIT Bombay was established by an MOU between the institute and TIFR in 2011. Its main focus is in strengthening the graduate instructions by conducting workshops annually at introductory and advanced levels, with an additional focus on training teachers in colleges and universities. NPD programs with leadership from our faculty member in PD group have contributed substantially to training manpower in the area of differential equation.
Today, students can pursue no less than 5 different degrees in our department. Our most recent initiative is the starting of a 4-year bachelor's program in mathematics. This supplements the existing 3 master's degree programs, including one in applied statistics and informatics. In addition, over 60 students are pursuing PhDs in a very wide array of subjects. We are proud of our reputation as teachers. The very large number of Institute-wide Excellence in Teaching Award attests to our enthusiasm and commitment.
There are a couple of undergraduate programs in our department, one being the 5-year integrated masters and the other the 4-year BS program. Both these programs allow the students to explore the depths of their preferred area in mathematics and also help get a broad view of the subject.
The number of PhD scholars in the department is increasing steadily. At the moment, nearly 40% of research scholars are women.
The master's program of our department is carefully designed, keeping in mind the skill sets that a graduate should have at the end of the journey. The program is tough and rigorous, but at the end of it, the graduate is fully equipped for the next step, be it industry or research. For the research scholars, this place is next to home. Every single person, from the staff to the faculty to the advisors, are supportive all along the way. We get a great opportunity to grow and develop as researchers. It's a fantastic place to be in, and we couldn't have asked for more.